Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to reset your iPad so that none of the stuff that you have on it right now will get transferred to the next person that uses this iPad. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to go into Settings, go to the top left, your Apple ID will be up there, click on it, scroll down to where it says iCloud Backup. We're just going to check to see if you have any backups on this iPad. Once you go in there, if it's checked off, you're backing up to your iCloud. If not, then you might want to do a backup to a local computer before you start this process. Go back out and then go into the general settings. From here, you'll scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Reset. Once in this menu, you'll want to look at Erase All Content and Settings. It's usually second from the top. After you've clicked on it, it will basically be asking you if you've already backed up your iPad. We've done that already, so let's just move on. Let's click Continue, and then you have another menu show up. This menu is basically asking you if you're still uploading. If you've already uploaded, if it's all done, feel free to click on Erase Now. After you've done that, you will be prompted to punch in the access code for the iPad that you're currently using. Go ahead and punch that in, and then you'll be asked if you want to erase this iPad. Yes, erase. You'll next be asked to put in your Apple ID. This turns off functionality for Find My or any other settings that you have on this iPad. It basically wipes your existence from this iPad, which is exactly what we want. You can then click on Erase. After you've done this, it will start erasing, and you should end up with the Apple logo and a loading bar underneath. It should be done now. When you click on the button to open up the iPad, it should have the language settings. This means that you've successfully purged yourself from this iPad and it's safe to return to the library. Thank you very much.